So we had a gate break off because the post basically was rusted. It broke off the hinge. And so we wanted to try to save the gate. And basically what we did, we had to remove the rusted part, totally remove it. And then we had to fix the foundation, of course, with cement, which is the most important thing when you're working with metal or iron gates or any fences. You certainly want a strong foundation. And as you can see, we fasten it to a bar. And so it worked out in the end.